Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Kavithashok Educational and Motivational channel. Today we are continuing our 10th class trigonometry topic. Watch the previous classes regularly. If you follow this, you will get perfect knowledge. Okay? So what is given here? If A greater than or equal to B, then sin A greater than or equal to sin B. Is it true? If A greater than or equal to B, then cos A greater than or equal to cos B. Is it true? So two questions are there. So to check this, first we will take one example and we will verify. Is it here? Look at here now. A greater than or equal to B is given. Right. Let A is equal to some 90 degrees. B is equal to some 30 degrees. A is equal to 90 degrees and B is equal to 30 degrees. Why? Because A is greater than or equal to B. So greater than or equal to B in the sense either we can take both equal or strictly greater than. I am taking like this. Now first, sin A is nothing but sin 90 degrees. Sin 90 is nothing but, according to the table, 1. Next, sin B. Sin B is equal to sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. We already know 1 is greater than 1 by 2. Isn't it? 1 is always greater than 1 by 2. So 1 is nothing but sin A. And this is greater than 1 by 2 is nothing but sin B. So if A greater than or equal to B, sin A is greater than or equal to sin B. Is it clear? So it is true. If you take equal, we can get equal. If you get strictly, we can get strictly. So finally sin A is greater than or equal to sin B. The same manner for the second one. A is greater, same value, A is 90 degrees and B value is 30 degrees. Here also A value is greater than B. No need to text it, is A greater than B. If suppose cos A is nothing but cos 90 degrees. We already know cos 90 is nothing but 0. Next, cos B. Cos B is nothing but cos 30. Cos 30 is nothing but sin 60. This is nothing but root 3 by 2. We already know root 3 by 2 value, positive value, is always greater than 0. So root 3 by 2 in a sense here, cos B greater than cos 0 in a sense here, cos A. Cos B value is greater than cos A. But what is given here? Cos A value is greater than or equal to cos B. So it is not true. It is true here, it is not true here. Why? Because sine function is especially increasing function in 0 to 90 degrees. Cos function is decreasing function in the interval 0 to 90 degrees. According to the definition, x1 less than or equal to x2 implies f of x1 less than or equal to f of x2. It will be treated as increasing. x1 less than or equal to x2 implies f of x1 greater than or equal to f of x2. The function will be decreasing. The function will be decreasing. So here A greater than B. Greater than is there, we can get greater than only. For greater than to greater than, that is increasing function. Less than to less than also increasing function. But here if you take greater than, here we are getting reverse. That means what? Cos A is less than to cos B. That is reverse. So that is a decreasing function in the interval 0 to 90 degrees. So it is true for this condition and it is not true for the second condition. Now we will discuss one important problem having the important concept. So what is given here? In triangle ABC, right angle at B. Indirectly what he is given? This is a right angle triangle. First we will take one right angle triangle. What he says here, right angle at B. So this is B. I am taking this is A and this is C. So this is ABC, right angle triangle. And AB is given by 5 centimeters. AB in the sense this one. This is given 5 centimeters. And angle ACB is given 30 degrees. ACB. So this is 30 degrees. Right. Determine the lengths of the sides of BC, this length, and AC. This length they want. Right. If theta is here, so this is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side, and this is the hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to the right angle is always hypotenuse, right? So what is the link between angle and this length? Opposite side is Z. So I am taking like this here. Sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. What is opposite side? AB is the opposite side. What is the hypotenuse? AC. Right. Sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. This is equal to AB. AB is there, fine. But we want AC. Cross multiplication. 1 into AC is AC and 5 into 2. So AC is equal to 10 centimeters. Why? Because the value is in the centimeters. AC value is 5 centimeters. Determine the lengths of the sides. AC is over. Right. This is 10. Now we want BC. So for that sake, I am applying adjacents and hypotenuse. Cos 30 degrees. This is cos 30. Cos 30 in the sense adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent side here? BC. What is hypotenuse? AC. Now this implies cos 30 is nothing but sin 60. Sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. BC, we want to find out BC only. AC is nothing but 10. AC value is 10. Cross multiplication again. 10 into root 3 is equal to 2BC. 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. So BC is equal to 5 root 3 centimeters. If we take A here and C here, then also we can get the same answer. So whenever the problem is given, we have to apply the sine form, cos form and tan form. Sine in the sense opposite side by hypotenuse. Cos in the sense adjacent side by hypotenuse. Tan in the sense opposite side by adjacent side. By using these forms, we can easily calculate the measurements. Right. One more important problem. A chord of a circle of radius 6 centimeters is making an angle 60 degrees at the center. Find the length of the chord. Right. We will take one circle here. What he says here, the chord of a circle. I am taking a chord here. This is a chord. Suppose this is AB. AB is the chord. This chord making an angle 60 degrees at the center. So this is the center, sir. I am taking. C is the center. This chord making an angle of 60 degrees. Making an angle of 60 degrees at the center. He is given the circle with radius 6 centimeters. So this is radius only and this is also radius. AC. So this is 6 centimeters only and this is also 6 centimeters only. Now we have to find out the length of the chord. AB we want. The length of AB we want. Right. First we will draw one perpendicular or angular bisector. Angular bisector in the sense here. 60 in the sense it will be divided into two parts. 30 and 30. 30 degrees and 30 degrees. Okay. Take this as D. Okay. This is the perpendicular bisector. Bisector in the sense these two will be same. AD and BD will be same. If we find out one of the value and automatically we can get the next value. Right. So what is there here? This is 30 degrees now. Since this is 60, it is divided into 30 degrees and 30 degrees. Right. First I am taking in triangle ADC. I am taking this triangle ADC. So this is the angle. So that's why this is the opposite side and this is hypotenuse. Opposite hypotenuse in the sense we can take sine. Okay. Sine 30 degrees is equal to opposite side AD by hypotenuse AC. Sine 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. AD we have. AD is not there now. So this is AD by AC is given 6. Right. Cross multiplication. 1 into 6 is 6 only. This is 2 AD. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja. AD will be 3 centimeters. Right. Now we want AB. AB is nothing but AD plus DB. We already know AD plus DB and AD is same. Why? Because perpendicular bisector, since AD is equal to DB. So this is 2 times of AD. Okay. 2 times of AD is nothing but 3. So into 3. So that's why this is 6. AB is equal to 6 centimeters. The length of the curve AB is 6 centimeters. Like this we can calculate. One important 4 marks question. If sine of A minus B is given 1 by 2, cos of A plus B is given 1 by 2, and A plus B value lies in between 0 to 90 degrees, and A is greater than to B. Find A and B. Whenever the sum of two angles is lies in between 0 to 90 degrees, in the sense here, both A comma B will be acute angles below 90 degrees. Why? Because sum only the value lies in between 0 to 90. So individually A comma B, both of the values are acute angles. Okay, right. What is given here? Sine of A minus B is given 1 by 2. Right. Sine of A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. We can write in terms of sine as sine of 30 degrees. Why? Because he only says that A comma B are acute angles. So that's why we have to take below 90 degrees only. So this is sine 30 degrees. So now what it will becomes? A minus B value will becomes 30 degrees. Take this as equation number 1. Next. Cos of A plus B is given 1 by 2 again. So again cos of A plus B is equal to 1 by 2 is here. 1 by 2 in terms of cos is nothing but cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 and sin 30 both will be 1 by 2 only. So then what we can get here? A plus B value is equal to 60 degrees. Take this as equation number 2. Both are what? Less than to 90 degrees. Acute angles. Right. 1 and 2 implies A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. A plus B is equal to 60 degrees. Add these two equations. Simply I am adding these two equations. If we add A plus A will becomes 2A. Minus B plus B get cancelled. 30 plus 60 will becomes 90 degrees. 2A is equal to 90 degrees. So then A is equal to 90 by 2. Why? Because 2 into A into 2 will becomes by 2. So 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 5 ja. So then A is equal to 45 degrees. We want B also. So I am taking equation number 1. 1 implies what? 1 says A minus B is equal to 30 degrees. In the place of A we will replace 45 degrees. So 45 degrees minus B is equal to 30 degrees. This implies 45 degrees. Interchange these two. Plus 30 will becomes minus 30. And minus B will becomes plus B. So then B is equal to 45 minus 30. Simply this is 15 degrees. So A value 45 and B value 15. He only says A is greater than to B. So the value of A is 45 degrees. The value of B is 15 degrees. If you want to verify easily, we can verify. Verification. What he says here? Sine of A minus B is equal to sine of A in the sense here 45 degrees, B in the sense 15 degrees. Sine of 45 minus 15 is 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees is nothing but 1 by 2. Right? This is our answer, 1 by 2. In the same manner, cos of A plus B. So cos of A is 45 degrees plus B is 15 degrees. Is nothing but cos 60. Cos 60 is nothing but sin 30. That is 1 by 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. So our answer is 100% correct. Right. Evaluate sin 30 degrees plus tan 45 degrees minus cosec 60 degrees by this one and that one. So to evaluate these values, if we know the standard trigonometric ratio values at particular angles, this problem will be very easy. So we have to perfect in the table. Right, we will take the first one. What we have to solve here? Sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2. Tan 45 is nothing but 1. Cosec 60 degrees. Cosec 60 in the sense 1 by sin 60. So 1 by root 3 by 2. It will be reverse. 2 by root 3 by cot 45 degrees is 1. Cos 60 is nothing but sin 30. That is 1 by 2. Sec 30 degrees. So 1 by cos 30 degrees. Cos 30 is nothing but sin 60. 1 by root 3 by 2 in the sense 2 by root 3. Once look at here. 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Plus 1, 1. Minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3. So this one get cancelled. Simply our answer will be 1. Only by seeing the problem, don't feel it is hard. When we apply, automatically it will becomes very easy. So this is answer for my first one. Second, 2 into tan 45. Tan 45 is nothing but 1 square plus cos 30 is nothing but sin 60 root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60 again root 3 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 square minus root 3 by 2 square cancel. 2 into 1 square is nothing but 1. The answer will be 2. So like this easily we can calculate the answer. Evaluate sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees cos 60 degrees. What is the value of sin of 60 plus 30 degrees? What can you conclude? Right. So before conclude, we have to find out. What is given? Sin 60 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sin 30 degrees cos 60 degrees is equal to sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is nothing but again sin 60 root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 cos 60 is also nothing but 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square, 2 2 is 4, 1 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4, square root cancel. What we can get? 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Simply these two are like terms, we can add 3 plus 1, 4. 4 by 4 get cancel. Answer will be 1. The value will be 1. Next. Sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to sin 90 degrees. Sin 90 degrees is nothing but 1. So what is our final conclusion? Here sin 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is nothing but sin 60 cos 30 plus cos 60 sin 30. These two are same. So in the future we can conclude the formula sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. This is the compound angle concept. In the intermediate we will look this one. Just we verified whether these two are equal or not in the 10th class level. Thank you very much.